In this video, I'll show you how to create a new folder in Windows. If you have been wanting to learn how to create a new folder in your Windows or laptop, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now go to your desktop background. This is our desktop background. Right click your mouse. Once you have right clicked your mouse, scroll down to the new option. Then from this new option, you would see other displayed options. Scroll up, click on the folder. Now once you have clicked on the folder, you have automatically created a new folder on your desktop background. Then we can rename this folder. I can name this folder YouTube. Right? So I've created a new folder on my Windows background desktop. So I will do this again. Right click your mouse. You will be displayed with some options. Scroll down to the new option. Scroll up to the folder option. Click on the folder. I've created a folder on my desktop background. I will rename this. I can name this Yes. So this is how you can create a folder on your Windows desktop background. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one.